Hi everybody, it's Claire back with another art journal video. Today I'm playing in the craft journal and I'm starting off with 3 colours of paint and one of Dina's nice big fat brushes. So I've got cheddar, magenta and carnation, really pretty colours together. So I've just kind of swept those across the page, and then I've used the new lattice stencil and also the Bonds stencil as well, just to add some stenciling onto there too. And then I've used a stamp and some fuchsia ink just to add some stamping onto the background. Then a few splatters, as you can see. Then I'm using a face stamp from one of Dina's stamp sets called Change, and I stamped it onto some collage tissue paper. I did stamp it onto some printer paper to start off with, but decided it was too stark against the background. And the great thing with the collage paper that I really like is that you can still see the background through it, which I think sometimes is quite nice. Not always, but sometimes. So once it was nice and dry, I then had a scribble stick and added in some cheeks, but decided I didn't like it so much, so I kind of dabbed some of it off. And then I'm just going over the face using this Stabilo oil just to darken up some of those features. Then I'm just scribbling some more circles onto the background using the same Stabilo pencil. And using a water brush, I'm just quickly activating some of those lines. I do love the look that it gives. And then I am using some collage tissue paper from the Growing Things collage tissue paper set from Dina Wakley. This was one of the new release ones. And I'm just picked some of the fern leaves from that set, and I'm just going to be adding a few of those onto the page. So this was definitely one of those journal pages where I just kind of went with the flow. I didn't really have any idea of what I wanted to do, and I've got to be honest, when I was finished I really didn't like it very much, but sometimes that's okay. And I think for me, I get a lot of satisfaction from not only the process and enjoying the process, but also feeling satisfied with what I've produced at the end. And that isn't always the case. Sometimes it is very definitely just about putting paintbrush to paper and making art, and it isn't always about the end process and the end result, sorry. But this time I was kind of really dissatisfied with this page, but you know, it doesn't matter. It is what it is, and it was obviously it was what happened this day when I was doing my journaling. So you can see I've just added some mark making onto the page too, using different sizes of Posca pen and Signo Uniball, and then I'm just doing a little bit of writing down the side of the face. be your weird self. It kind of fits with this page. It does have a bit of a weird vibe, but there we go. It was what happened, and there we go. There's a slightly bizarre finished page. So sometimes you just need to journal for the sake of it. So thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I'll see you again soon.